held the door, said my name like it was new. Coffee steam between our hands, I kept finding God in you. You laughed too loud, spilled your sugar on my sleeve, said I ruined everything. I said stay, please, never leave. To love someone is human, a quiet courage, fragile, flawed. To be loved back is a blessing, like a letter signed by God. But when your heart answers mine, every doubt falls into dirt. To be loved by the one you love is heaven touching earth. We missed our stop, riding past the place we meant. You're tracing shapes on fogged up glass, like our time was heaven sent. You took my hand like you'd always known the way, and it hit me in that moment I was finally okay. To love someone is human, a quiet courage, fragile, flawed. To be loved back is a blessing, like a letter signed by God. But when your heart answers mine, every doubt falls into dirt. To be loved by the one you love is heaven touching earth. All those almost, all those half-healed scars led me here to the soft light in your arms. Yeah. If this is all